For most of history, we believe the brain was the command center, the ruler of thought, emotion, and decision. But what if that story isn't complete? What if the heart, the symbol of feeling, is far more intelligent than we ever imagined? Welcome to Aam Daily, where we learn something new every day. Today, we explore one of science's most fascinating discoveries: your heart actually has its own brain. Take a moment to notice your heartbeat. It seems simple, just a pulse, keeping rhythm. But inside that rhythm is a communication system that never stops talking to your brain. In fact, it sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends to it. This isn't poetic metaphor, it's neuroscience. Inside the heart, there are around 40,000 specialized neurons, forming what scientists call the heart brain. These neurons can sense, learn, remember, and even make decisions, independent of the central brain. For centuries, people described intuition as following the heart. Science dismissed it as romantic language. But new research suggests there's a biological truth beneath the metaphor. The heart doesn't just respond to emotion, it helps shape it. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover how your heart's neural network affects decision-making, emotional intelligence, and even creativity. It might change the way you understand thinking itself. In the 1990s, neurocardiologists at the HeartMath Institute began exploring how the heart communicates with the brain. They found something stunning: the heart's neural network could operate semi-independently. It can sense chemical changes, regulate its rhythm, and influence emotional responses before the brain even reacts. The term heart-brain was born, a network of neurons capable of memory, pattern recognition, and adaptation. It's like the heart runs its own small operating system, constantly syncing with the body's main processor. Communication between the heart and brain happens through the vagus nerve, a biological superhighway that carries electrical and chemical messages. But here's the twist: over 80% of these signals travel upward, from heart to brain. When your heart rate changes, whether from calmness or stress, your brain adjusts emotions, perception, and even cognitive function accordingly. That's why when your heart is calm, your thoughts are clearer. When it's chaotic, your mind becomes cloudy. When your heart rhythm becomes smooth and steady, your entire system enters a state called coherence. In this state, breathing, emotion, and brain waves align into a single harmonic pattern. Coherence improves focus, memory, and emotional balance, measurable by heart rate variability. Think of it as emotional synchronization. When your heart and brain move in harmony, you feel grounded, empathetic, and creative. You've felt it before, that sense of knowing without knowing how. Moments where logic hesitates but something deeper feels certain. That's intuition, and science shows the heart plays a major role. Experiments have revealed that the heart often reacts to subtle information before the brain does, milliseconds faster. It's as if the heart senses the environment through a deeper layer of awareness, sending warning or guidance signals to the mind. When you focus attention on your heart, especially with gratitude or compassion, electrical patterns between the two brains align. This synchronization enhances creativity, resilience, and even problem solving. It's not mysticism, it's measurable biophysics. Leaders, artists, and innovators often describe their greatest insights as coming from the heart. Science now shows this is literally true. The heart's network influences access to higher cognitive states. Every heartbeat creates an electromagnetic field that extends several feet beyond the body. Sensitive instruments can detect this energy, and remarkably, this field changes depending on emotional state. When you're calm and compassionate, the field becomes coherent and can influence others nearby. That means emotion isn't just personal, it's shared energy. Your heart literally broadcasts your inner state to the world. We spend so much time in the head, thinking, analyzing, reacting, that we forget to listen to the quieter voice beneath it. The heart's intelligence is subtle, but powerful. It speaks through sensations, intuition, and feeling, not words. To reconnect, take a few slow breaths and place attention in the center of your chest. Ask your heart a question, then wait. What you feel next might surprise you. The brain makes you smart, but the heart makes you wise. True intelligence is the harmony of both, logic guided by compassion, reason balanced with feeling. The next time you face uncertainty, don't only think harder. Feel deeper. Because your heart is not just beating, it's communicating. Today, take a few moments to breathe slower. Feel your heartbeat. Let your mind and heart meet in quiet coherence. Because sometimes, the greatest wisdom doesn't come from thinking, it comes from listening. Thank you for watching Aam Daily. Learn something new every day.